Good morning, everyone. I am a computer teacher JP Gupta sir from Green Valley English School student. In the last video, as I had started your new chapter Open Office Impress. So, student, in this video, I will continue the same chapter, and in this video, we shall try to know about the some more options and elements present in Open Office student. So first of all, we shall discuss about that how to create a new presentation. So student, next heading is creating the new presentations. So whenever you start any new work in Open Office Impress students, this software provide you many options to make the new presentations. So students, you can create a new presentations mainly in two ways. First option is empty presentation and second option is from template students. So in this section we shall see how to create the presentations by these two method students. So to make the presentations, we have to click on file menu and choose the new options. Whenever you click on the new option, student, submenu will appear. From here we select the option presentations. Whenever you click on the presentation wizard will be opened in front of you on the screen as the figure is shown in your book, students. Here we get the two options, empty presentation and second is from template option. So first of all, by default empty presentation is selected. So students, empty presentation, these options help you to design the slide or presentation in your own style. Students, now after that, this wizard will complete in some step. So follow the steps by clicking on next button one by one, students, as it is given. Second method is, after that student, second method is creating the presentation from design templates. So OpenOffice Impress provide you these options to create the presentation from design template. Design template is actually a predefined or ready-made files that contain the predefined element style for the presentation, students, like font and bullet size, placeholder size and position, background and color, scheme and slide master, students. So whenever you click on the option from templates, you have to follow the some steps in the wizard by clicking on the next button. One by one, set all the options for designing your presentations, students, as it is given. Next heading is different views of the slide, students. So OpenOffice Impress provide us 6 different type of the views, students. Each new presentation options in normal views is activated by default. These views combine the outline of the presentation with a view of the current slides as well as the quick access to notes, students. Also, the views can be switched by clicking at the desired view button. These all 5 views buttons are located on the top of the workspace, students, as it is shown in the figure here. So by clicking on it, you can change the view of the slide according to your need, students. So let us try to understand the type of different views in OpenOffice. First view is normal view, students. So this views display the 3 panes, that is outline pane, slide pane and task pane, students. By default, normal view is activated when you open any new presentation. Second is outline pane view, outline views, students. So these views display only the text of the presentation in the outline form and allow you to work easy with the content. Means all the content which you have typed in your all the slides will be displayed in this view on the computer screen. Means easily you can edit the content if it is required. Third is student slide. So slide views show you just the slide and its content. It is easiest to use when you are designing your presentation slide by slide, students. Fourth is slide sorter view. This view is very useful, students. This view display all the slide at the same time on the screen in the miniature form, and you can easily edit the slide. You can change the order of the slides, you can set the rehearsing time and etc. student by using the slide sorter view. Fifth is slide show view. So student, this views display the presentation on the slide at the time in the sequence as automatic slide show is set. Means this view display the one slide at a time on the screen with the animation and with all the object, students. Next, sixth one is notes. So this view lets you enter and edit the speaker's note for the presenter, students. Means here you can type or edit the